So you just left my chair and your hair is done. When you have some questions or concerns after you wash your hair, you've come to the right video. This is Crown by Nisha Babii, Loctician Services. So after you guys wash your hair, after you've figured out a regimen that works best for you, I don't want you to over manipulate your hair. I don't want you to over twist your hair because over manipulation and too much tension can cause thinning, and we don't want thinning locks. We're growing a healthy crown here over here, and in order to do that, you just want to leave your hair alone. Let it breathe, let it hang. You got to have a default setting for your hair. My default setting is literally wearing my hair down. Sometimes I'll flip it over to the side, or I will have my hair up in the scarf updo. And when I wear my hair in a scarf, I don't put a scrunchie. I literally just put the scarf on. And I can show you guys in another video what that may look like. But just making sure you have low manipulation styles in your head. And if you've come to me and I put a two-strand twist style in your head, I recommend taking the two-strand twist out like within 2 weeks, just to let your hair breathe. And you're also gonna have an amazing twist out. It's gonna be really cute. So my tip for you is to make sure you do not over manipulate your hair. You don't want to put your hair in tight ponytails and you're pulling all the time when you're flipping and you just, I know we love our hair, we're so excited, but just try to do low manipulative styles. That way your hair is learning how to just be in its natural state. You guys learn how to be in this natural straight state. You're enjoying the process, and your hair is going to thank you years later down the line as your locks continue to go through each stage because you don't want thin locks, I'm telling you. And also, if you're considering doing color on your locks, I will wait. I don't recommend bleach at all. And I recommend you have a strong regimen for that first year. After the first year, for my block anniversary, I wanted to add bleach, and that's what I did. Um, I don't recommend it. Even with me, maintaining my hair and my locks, taking care of it, sometimes the little ends did pop off. And back then, I didn't know how to crochet, so it was a lost cause for me. So I'm telling you because I've lived through this. Do not bleach your hair. There's other healthy or natural alternatives that you can do to achieve the style that you want. Enjoy your lock process. Don't have lock envy. Don't over manipulate your hair. Hydrate your locks, and you're gonna be just fine. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to me. I have my QRL codes linked for you all. I have my phone on standby. I will get back to you as soon as I can if I'm not, doing family things or with another client. Okay, but I really do appreciate you choosing me as your favorite loctician. I'll see y'all at your next appointment. All right, make sure you're listening and hydrating. All right, I'm going to ask for progress pictures. Okay, bye.